Your phone might only need a single USB port, but take a look at this industrial gateway. Our S485 Ethernet ports can bus. It's absolutely packed with interfaces. Why does the industrial world seem so backward? The answer is simple. The factory floor is like a time machine. Your project might feature legacy equipment that has been running for 20 years alongside newly deployed AI robots. A single interface simply can't meet every requirement. Our S485 is slow, but offers strong interference immunity. CAN bus comes with error correction, prioritizing stability above all else, and EtherCAT is built for ultimate real-time performance. On the factory floor, never crashing is 10,000 times more important than plug-and-play convenience. Moreover, modern devices don't just need to be functional, they need to be computational. To run AI algorithms and transmit data to the cloud, USB, PCIe, and even 5G interfaces have joined the phrase. More interfaces mean more sensors can be connected. These arrays of ports ensure that legacy equipment doesn't need to be phased out, while new devices can be integrated at any time. They transform the previously isolated factory into a collaborative super ecosystem. Having so many ports isn't about being outdated, it's about saving money and ensuring compatibility. After all, the reality of the industrial field is always much wilder than a PowerPoint presentation in a conference room. Follow me to understand the hardcore side of the industry.